It's only 5 p.m., but we are about ready to get hit with a big storm. So we are heading out now to go collect all the eggs on our farm. We're gonna check the duck house first for some duck eggs, and then we'll check the chicken coops. And if we have time before it rains, we will hit the turkey and go area to see if we have any turkey eggs or any chickens laid eggs there today. I haven't seen the dogs for a while. I think they're all napping. All right, we'll come back to the chicken coops. But first, we're heading to this side of the property. We're by the farm pond to check for duck eggs. We won't have any geese eggs. Geese are actually seasonal layers, and so we only get geese eggs or eggs from a goose. Our geese only lay eggs in the spring. They're ready for their snack. Oh my goodness. Look at them. Come running. Bedtime snack. We'll do a scoop and a half since it's early. Hi, Catherine. How are you doing? There's little Charlie, all big, and Kevin. Kevin is Karen's little boy, but he was raised by the geese. He straight up thinks he's a goose. Okay, let's go check and see if there's any eggs in the duck house while they're eating. It's looking a little precarious. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and sheet, not walk all the way in today. I'm sure there's probably an egg or two in the back, but we've only been getting 1 or 2 a day, and I already see one here. We're just gonna say there's one because it's starting to look really bad. It's crazy the difference it looks on camera than for me, but it's a lot more dark from my point of view. Okay, you guys enjoy. They are gonna love the rain. I see a puppy. Hello, Kiwi. You just wake up from your afternoon nap? Yeah. How you doing? Oh, you got like poop on your face or something. You're so dirty. Start in this coop first. Hello. Oh, we have one on the ground. What are you doing there? 1. Excuse me. 2, 3. Goodness, girls. Excuse me. 4, 5, 6 is cracked. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So much to say. 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 18, 19. I feel like she's still laying by that. You go into the empty box. You sound broody. 20. Ooh, 21 is beautiful. Look at that speckling. 22 and 23. Oh no. You've been broody forever. 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Can I get it, y'all? Oh my goodness. 28. Excuse me. Anything under you? Just 3. 29, 30, and 31. Moving on to the second coop. Come on, Kiwi. Where's everybody else? They all still sleeping? Oh, it's getting ready. What is going on? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Goodness. 37 and 38. Let's see. Did you guys actually lay any in the boxes? 39. 40. 41, 42. 43, 44, and 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. And then we have, it looks like 51. Go ahead and leave these down since some girls are still probably getting ready to lay their eggs for the day. And it's not raining yet, so let's head over to the turkey and goat pen. See what we can find over there. Look who I found. Hi, Pineapple. Look at how big Honey is. Where's Kajari? There he is. Hi, Chuck. Hi, Buzz. Let's see. Is Tilly in here? Hi, Tilly. How many eggs did you squish today? Come here. Oh my gosh, so many. Come on. I'm sorry. I know. Don't remember what number we were at in the chicken coops, but we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 chicken eggs to add to the total. No turkey eggs. I was walking around checking to see if there's any other chicken eggs or turkey eggs hiding anywhere. Look at these mushrooms. That is so fun. The older I get, the more I just absolutely love mushrooms. Does anyone know what these are called? That is so cool. It's beautiful. And they're everywhere. The only place I haven't checked is this tote. Tilly is always inside the goats' little shelter. We decided to get them a new one, especially since they mainly sleep on their lofts out here. But it doesn't look like anyone's laid any eggs in here. Well, hello. No turkey eggs. And no goat eggs.